Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone's staying safe in the southeast of the United States. I'm in South Carolina, so we'll be getting tropical weather storm, depression, probably by tonight or tomorrow morning. For that, I hope everyone in Florida is doing okay and staying safe and staying dry. I hope they evacuate it. So I'm looking at it. Looks like this hurricane with tropical depression is going to turn back to hurricane and hit back to Florida again. So looks like they get two hits of the same hurricane. But anyhow, subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments any questions, so forth, that I can answer. Right now, I've been working on a lot of the Leviathan pieces, slowly but maturely. We'll be doing Hags and another female Doulahan pretty soon, later on this week or next week, starting on it. We got a lot of videos scheduled all the way through, probably halfway through November, but November probably done in a week or two. With how speed paint works and the airbrush, I've been getting a lot of video done and uploaded and scheduled and so forth as well. We'll be looking at basically some of the miniatures that I have if my camera focuses. This is the Leviathan set. I'm converting this into my Blood Angels army as set as well. These guys are almost done in a way. There we go. For it. And then after this one's done, we'll be going back to three more videos of D&D. Like I said, I'll be doing hags and other stuff as well for it. When that's done, we'll be finished. Hopefully, able to finish the Leviathan set for the space for the Blood Angels. Then we can work on the Soul Forge with the Dark Angels and the Chaos Space Marines set for that as well. When those are all done, and we'll be doing more of the one that are boxed up. And when they're done, we'll be start working on the orcs. So hopefully orcs will be getting that. We'll be starting that in October with the shorts with the orcs. I have a crap load of orcs. I have the 3D print Estampa for my orcs. I'm not buying a Estampa. I'll just 3D print a Estampa. I think it'll be a lot cheaper in the long run what GW is charging for as well. I'm going to buy more MSP paints, acrylic. If you guys want to start with a good paint set, do Pro acrylics. These guys are wonderful. They spread. They work well on airbrushes. I'm slowly getting rid of all my Reaper paint. When I'm almost done with majority of that, just throw it away. I'm not going to use any more Citadel paint unless I really need the exact color I need, like the Plague Marines. For those for Nurgles, because they have the exact green that I really want, and they don't have the speed paint for the one I really want. Usually it's too bright or just a little bit too dark for it. But yeah, if you have any old paints and stuff, I'll, it, I would you water it down with a little bit of matte medium and use an airbrush as the best way to like use a lot of these Reaper paints nowadays, and just upgrade them later on when you have the money for it and the space. You don't want to have too much paint because after a while your paints will dry up over time. Make sure every 1.5 to 2 months, put a little bit of matte medium in each one of them and shake it up so that your paint won't dry or crack and stuff like that. That's what I'm really dealing with right now with all of my paints, due to the fact that I have these paints for over 10 years and they're like kind of dry and stuff. So I have to like rehydrate them over a certain amount of times because they're still good paints. It's just that I spent back then it was like $3 4. Now paints are like $8 to $10. They have different sales for other paints for that, and we'll get that done for it for the paints. But paints are very expensive in a way. But so we got the Warhammer, and we'll do a big diorama set when all Leviathan set's done. I'm gonna put all my. I have a lot of Blood Angels, so then I know I'm going all over the damn place. I know I gotta do Dante as well, the new Dante. I do want to get the old Dante. If you guys have miniatures and stuff that you don't want to use and want to give away, please let me know. I probably will buy some or take it as your donations. I do like painting them. I do like having them in. I want to try 10th edition, but I never had a chance to play 10th edition in a way. We did a lot of different kind of moss painting clays and stuff that are coming up pretty soon. We have a new board made out of foam. I didn't do a short video on those due to the fact that I don't have a big enough camera system and I don't have that much money. So I do the best as I can and try the best way. I can send pictures on my Discord. I'm usually on Discord a lot and social media, so I do reply pretty fast. Sometimes usually takes a few hours, depending on my situation, if I'm napping and so forth as well. I stopped using wash. Due to the speed paint, I basically stopped using wash. There's like no point of using washes anymore if using speed paint because of the cracks and crevices. If you want a little bit of like a use one part of like one of the browns you want to use or the blacks and about 5 to 10 parts of water and just spray over that or brush over it and there's your wash right there if you want that little bit of that grime and little dark colors for it. But other than that, due to speed paint, no wash. I don't have to use wash anymore unless I'm not using wash. I'm using acrylic. Then I use the wash that I have left over. But I'm gonna get new primer. I'm not making any more primer anymore that my friend made me. This is almost out due to the fact that it's a lot cheaper to buy a freaking bottle of primer now. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have. There has been really nothing much exciting happened to me. Beat Baldur's Gate 3. Try to do the mods on it, but it's a daisy. Every time we have a new update, my mods don't work. So I'm just gonna wait till uh, uh, Baldur's Gate like fully updated and everyone update their mods. I will start playing the modded version of Baldur's Gate 3 because I beat it without the mods, and I want to play the Dark Urge really bad and get the storyline for it and all the stuff that I missed so far that people have found. Like I haven't found that shit yet. I want to do more. I want to do some more live stream. I think the next live stream is going to be by a month or two. I might do Starfield live stream in next week or two. That really depends on uh, how how Starfield launches goes because I've been hearing a lot of things online and stuff, but I am not going to judge until I actually get on the September 6th on Game Pass. Then I'll probably will do that for a matter. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know down the bottom. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.